Looking for some outdoor fun? The city makes it easy with Rent.Fun. Citizens now have easy access to recreational equipment for various sports and activities. The city's Parks and Recreation Department has installed Rent.Fun kiosks throughout Crystal Lake Park. The kiosks are stationed at different courts and playing fields around the park, like cornhole, volleyball, and pickleball. To rent the equipment, simply follow 3 easy steps. Step 1, download the app and create an account. Step 2, scan the QR code to unlock the equipment. And Step 3, enjoy the equipment. Be sure to return the equipment back to the kiosk by selecting Unlock in the app. From sunrise to sunset, your next game or lake day is just a scan away. For more information, follow the link in the description that accompanies this video. Stay connected with us on social media, subscribe to us on Nextdoor, and tune in to us on YouTube.